From here, but this is the box. Oh, still one more. Okay. Oh, one more. No, there's a spot over there. Yeah. It's easier to hear everybody, isn't it? Landing.
I'll let them land first.
Sure. Yeah. Yeah.
I know.
But I got a big draggy fuselage.
Yeah. How about the plane?
Oh, no.
How about the plane?
Oh, he was talking about the plane. Sorry about that.
Everyone's a joker.
Here wasn't down. You go one landing.
On the blue one?
Yeah.
Landing.
Too fast. Oh, the front wheel thing's coming down. There you go.
Yeah.
Feet down, that's good. Hopefully it'll stay down. Yep.
Nice.
Oh, nice, Barrett, nice.
It's owned by Craig Rice from Casa Grande.
Okay.
All right, so we're here at the Arizona Electric Fest 2018 with Barrett. He's got his Green Sea ships, by the way, RC groups, and if you look at this, he's got a superlative. I use that word a lot because it sounds pretty cool. 737. Barrett, how in the world did you make this thing? Because you made it.
It's long been my dream to take a Messerschmitt 262 wing and engines and convert it into a 737 because I always felt that it looked kind of similar to the Model 200 737. Well, after years of just thinking about it, my friend Bob Ruff was selling his Freewing Messerschmitt 262 with the motors and fans and speed controllers already installed. All I had to do was build a new fuselage.
Oh, man.
So I just decided the time was right. And what I did was I basically built a box out of 1-inch combination blue and pink foam, 1-inch thick box. And then I just carved and belt sanded the heck out of that sucker until it looked like a 737.
And which it does very convincingly.
Thank you. And
I mean, it flies great.
Most of the decals, except for the cockpit windows, are by Cali Graphics.
Yeah, our friend Callie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it flies on a 4S setup with two 70mm fans with 12-blade fans.
Yeah.
And
she's quiet and efficient.
Good mothership carrier aircraft. You put it
I will need your engines just to get in the air.
Hey, Barry, thank you, brother, for giving us the background on this plane, and just love it. So,
thank you.
All right, 737 and Green Sea ships.
I call it the 737-262.
There you go. Arizona Electric Fest 2018.